Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
All right, well, let's move on. Let's talk about Lyft's new feedback and insights hub. Why do they have this, Sergio? I will tell you why.
Well, that's my app. I drove last week, and my report came out.
Yeah,
and they were like, Surge.
Yes, but notice, so for those who are just listening, it says introducing your new feedback and insights hub. A personalized look in how you drive, including passenger feedback, cancellation rate, and more. See the real feedback, blah, 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 blah. It gives you all that. You've seen it already. Yeah. And then it goes to the feedback and insights of your last 100 rides. The first thing it says in this big giant thing, low acceptance rate create longer wait times and can reduce passenger demand for rides. See your areas to focus on to help you get back on track. Dude, acceptance rate doesn't freaking matter.
Well, that's what I thought. 7%
though. It doesn't.
That's what I thought. But then Lyft says, Surge, get back on the program. This is horrible. No.
Where you shine everywhere. Areas to focus on.
Look at me.
Acceptance rate.
Oh, 5 stars. Oh, good. Oh, like fantastic. You're the best, Surge. But you accept not enough. Low acceptance rates, Chris, create longer wait times for who? like I care. And make passengers less likely to choose Lyft.
Well, you know what?
Fewer ride opportunities. Huh?
Well, you know what that means? That means I'm also on the Uber platform. So if no matter what the passenger does, I'll get them as long as the ride is priced properly. You know, that's what I just talked about earlier in the video that I posted.
You see that
don't
chart?
Accept every ride.
You see that chart there? You had a video come up with that today. Was it today?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Do you see that chart on the lower left, Chris?
Yeah, 2%, 7%.
Do you see what my acceptance rate was before I drove? Which they had a bonus, and I literally accepted every trip. It went from 2% to 7%.
Yeah, that's why it went up. But
Lyft.
How pathetic is
Come
Lyft,
on, man.
This is pathetic. You're making something seem like it's so much more important than it's not. The acceptance rate doesn't fucking matter. It never has. It never will. You're not going to get me to change my acceptance rate based on your stupid ass little thing that comes up and says, oh, your little hub is saying your acceptance rate is low. No, you know what's going to change my acceptance rate? If you show the fucking money.
But
as they say, show me the money. Then I'll accept. You want me to have 100% acceptance rate? Great. Raise them rates. That's it.
Okay. I literally did 6 trips. For like $50, it was $10 a trip, right?
Did your count stop at 4? So you had to do a 6th one?
Well, yeah, because I ended up in Silmar, and then I go like, if I get a ping home, I'm not going to drive home. It's 6 miles away. I'm not going to dead mile it, and I got a ping literally to my house. But gotcha. 5 paid $50. So, but look at all out of 5 trips. Look how many people gave me all these superstar things. 16 thumbs up, 7. Passenger safety, 5 ratings, car cleaning, 6. Well, everybody was like happy except Lyft. Lyft was not happy. Lyft goes Surge. But I'm like, no, I refuse.
So, guys, please don't fall for this. Don't fall for it.
Accept every trip. Don't listen to Chris. Don't listen to Chris.
The real thing. No, yeah, if you're Uber or Lyft. The real thing, though, is please understand the costs associated with your vehicle, and then at that point take rides that are worth it for you, Chris, and that fit your trip. Actual
Forget Chris, accept every trip.
Yeah, no. Well, you know what? Then you can enjoy making less and less money and probably owing money instead because you accepted everyone. So
Yeah.
the algorithm is going to fix itself and say, oh, you're accepting everything. So we're going to start lowering what we're going to pay you because you're accepting everything. Thank you.
Well, I'm never going to accept everything. I was kidding.
No.
Don't listen to Chris. Don't accept.
You mean listen to Chris?
Don't listen to Chris. 93. So 7 means out of the last 100, I accepted 7 and declined 93. That's about right. You should be right around that level. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Unless you have like a giant.
No, I mean, it depends on the rides that are coming in and all that stuff. So
I get it. I get it. But
it
I
has
was
to
like,
fit your profitability and it has to fit your strategy. If it doesn't fit those, don't take it. Plain and simple.
okay. Well, so about everything was good except Lyft said, Serge, you got to accept more trips because we don't like our passengers waiting.
Oh, well,
sorry.
Show the money.
You
and
bet.
then that way.
You give me that bonus every week. I will drive every week.
You're literally doubling your take rate. You're going from 14% to 30%. There's a problem there.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.